Hello, you know what it's like, you've been out, bosses give you a night off and you're like, yeah, I'm going out, I can get drunk, and you got drunk and then you come back and you're like, I'm the chef and I'm too drunk to cook, so I'll go to, what can I do? And then you think, oh, some crackles, Mr. Porky's Crackles, because we like, what was I going to say there? We like Mr. Porky's Crackles, because got dead pig skin. I'm going to give it. Look, it's crackly. Ow. Triple cooked and seasoned. Crackles are my pride and joy. I think perhaps over 30 years. Yeah, right, whatever. Quite crispy, not so much flavour though. It's got to be said. It's quite crunchy. Perfect before you go to bed. Don't need a bit of Miss Piggy. Pork. Larry the lamb. And Kermit the frog. Miss Piggy and Kermit should always be together. That's right, I'm going to give it 2 stars. I don't think he's back yet. Might eat the whole pack before he gets here. It's a good night though, I'll tell you what. He goes to opera. You should come to the pub with us. It's brilliant. I really like it. I'll see you next time. If I get another night off, probably won't get another night off. Porky Crackles. The crunchier.